Oppo has officially announced nearly everything about the Oppo Reno 9 series through promotional videos and renderings. Announcing November 14 as the release date, Oppo actually said, "Run, jump, take a big step forward. The new Oppo Reno 9 series meet the light from the first light of sunrise, the new tomorrow gold color scheme. Go for the golden moment with the women's soccer team. Dual-core portrait shoot with the light, 2:30 on November 24th, the new product release." As per Oppo's official website, which listed the Reno 9, Reno 9 Pro and Reno 9 Pro Plus with the official renderings showing all the design aspects, the rear camera adopts a new cosmic star ring design, including Polaris lens, decoration and starry skytop luminous design. In the announcement of the launch, Oppo also directly and generously gave the appearance of the machine design overall in the continuation of the Reno series appearance of the characteristics of the same time, do out some more different changes such as the rear lens part of the use of a bit like the characteristics of the Samsung S22 series, but also some of the sub-brand OnePlus 10 Pro characteristics recognition is still quite high. Officially, Reno 9 and Reno 9 Pro will have a 7.19 thickness, which will come with a 4500 mAh battery. Reno 9 Pro Plus will come with 4700 mAh battery. The standard version and the Pro version share an identical design, while Pro and Pro Plus will have an additional Mari Silicon X chipset. In terms of configuration, Reno 9 is expected to be equipped with Snapdragon 778 chip, 8 plus 256GB, 12 plus 256GB, 12 plus 512GB storage combination, and will come with 6.7-inch OLED screen, which will come with 120Hz of refresh rate, 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel on the rear camera, and 4500 mAh battery with 67 watt of fast charging support. Whereas Reno 9 Pro is expected to come with 16 plus 256GB, 16 plus 512GB combination, and with 6.7-inch OLED screen which will support 120Hz of refresh rate, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel rear camera, and will come with 4500 mAh battery with 67 watt fast charging support. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.